Good afternoon, students. So, two main components which we will use in this experiment of RLC series circuit. One is audio function generator, and the second one is your LCR series and parallel trainer. Okay, and this is the frequency. Uh, this is the frequency knob. I have kept this at 1K. So this means 1 kilohertz because this is set at 1. If I change this to 2, then this means multiplied by 2, this will be 2 kilohertz. If I change this to 3, this will be 3 kilohertz. So it's some type of multiplication factor. I will keep this at 1 kilohertz, and I will give the sine waveform from here. I will keep the maximum amplitude at 20 volt, and 20 volt is the maximum amplitude of the sinusoidal signal which is being applied to the input of this LCR series circuit here. So as per the circuit diagram shown in this figure, I have made all the connections, and now you have to find the resonance frequency. Okay, so resonance frequency is that frequency at which the current starts decreasing. Okay, you will vary the frequency from this knob. Okay, you will vary the frequency from this knob. Okay, and you will note down the value of the voltage and current. Okay, so that value of frequency, you have to note down that value of frequency at which the current starts decreasing. That will be your resonance frequency. Okay, so now I will vary the frequency. So this is initially at 1, here it is 1K, so this is 1 kilohertz. So at 1 kilohertz, what is voltage? 3 volt, and it's 2 milliampere. Now I will keep this at 2. So this becomes 2 kilohertz. What is our voltage? 2.91, and current is 4.9 milliampere. Then I will change it to 3 milliampere. Sorry, 3 kilohertz. This is 3 kilohertz. Then what is the voltage? 2.23, and it is 14.8. Now 4 kilohertz. Okay, this is 4 kilohertz. Here it is 1K and 4 kilohertz. Now see, 2.76, and here it is 7.0. So your current starts decreasing. Okay, so this you will have to note down. Okay, that value of current where the frequency is, you have to note down that frequency at which the current start decreasing. Okay, so now it is 7 milliampere. Now I will change it to your 5 kilohertz. See, then again decreasing to 3.5 milliampere. So you will note down all the value in this table: frequency here, current here, and voltage here, and you will make a plot like this. Okay, so that you have to note down that frequency, this point where the current starts decreasing. Current starts decreasing, note down that value of your frequency. That will be your resonance frequency. So you will have to note down that resonance frequency. Okay, see, I am increasing the frequency, and this your current is decreasing. Okay, I am varying the frequency from the same knob. Initially, see, what is the value here, and let it 3. So I am varying 2.1 milliampere, 2.5, 2.8, 3.5, 3.6, 4.9, 5.2 milliampere. So current is increasing. It is increasing 6.2, 6.7, 6, 8, 9.4, 9.5, 11, 12.4, 12.7, 8, 9, 14, 15.5, 15.5. Okay, so 15.5. See, look at this, 15.2. After that it will decrease. Okay, when I will increase the frequency, after this value of current it will decrease. See, now it is decreasing. See, it is going to 13.2, 13.1, 11.9, 10.7, 8.9, 7.9. Then finally I got 0.1. So I have increased the frequency up to 10 kilohertz. See, this is 10 kilohertz multiplied by this, and 10 kilohertz, and what current I have got? 0.1. So that value of current where frequency starts decreasing, what was the value? 15.2 or 3, something like between these two values. See, I'm again see, this was the value, है ना, 15 point, see 15.3 is there, after that it will decrease, see, decreasing. So this is the value of current. So this is the resonance frequency, you can see. So what is the resonance frequency here? It is, okay, set it again, set it at 15.3. No, back, go back. This is a 15.2, 15.3. Okay, so 15.3 is the value of the current, है ना. See, 15.3 is the value of the current. After this current, after this value, it will decrease. Your current will decrease after this value. Okay, then we will increase the frequency. So what is the value of frequency here? You can say 3. This is at 3, and this is at 1K. So this is 3 kilohertz, है ना, 1K and 3. This is 3 kilohertz. So at 3 kilohertz, our current is this, है ना. So when I will increase the frequency greater than 3 kilohertz, it will decrease. See, है ना. So it is decreasing now. So for your 3 kilohertz is your resonance frequency, you can say. Look at it again, 15.3 or 4. This is, look at this, this is at 3. So this is 3 kilohertz. So 3 kilohertz your resonance frequency. So this is your observed value. Okay, observed value is 3 kilohertz. You will calculate the resonant frequency by this formula also. This will be calculated value. You can also calculate the quality factor using this relation, because all the values for the components are given, you know, different values of components are given. We are using this capacitor, and we are using this inductor 30 millihenry. We are using this resistor 50 ohm resistor, 30 millihenry L, and 0.1 microfarad your C, है ना. So RLC values you already know. So you can calculate the value of resonant frequency and quality factor. This will be your calculated value. Observed value is our 3 kilohertz. So this completes your experiment. Now similarly, you can also do it for parallel resonance. You will connect RLC in this way, okay, and you will complete this table, and you will note down this value. You will plot the graph, and similarly you will calculate the value and observed value. You will make the comparison between calculated and observed value. Okay, thank you.